For the first time in my life, I live in a house that's now got a garage. And one thing I've got in this garage is something that I've owned since 1998. It's served me well, but in my whole ownership of this vehicle, it's lived outside pretty much. Sometimes under cover, sometimes under canvas, sometimes just out in the elements. As a result, it's suffered a little bit. And now I've got some garage space. I want to be able to do some work on it and gaps of knowledge, etc. I'm having a look on YouTube and stuff like that. There's not a lot of information about how to do work on these things, so I'm gonna move this channel's focus over to doing some work on this van. So, bit of a hint. So here it is. Here we go. Oh, let's try and get this all in shot. So there he is. This is Juffy, owned since 1998, like I said. This looks quite nice, right? Shiny. Looks okay. The other side suffered from the elements a little bit more. This red paint on the other side is very, very rough. But the things I've got problems with, stuff like that goes right through. Oh. This one's pretty bad as well. Yeah, I've got a bit of a gearbox oil leak under there. So there's a number of jobs I need to do. I need to do the guttering, I need to do all of this rust at the bottom here. I need to sort this gearbox oil leak. It seems to be riding too low at the back as well. I'm not really sure why that is. I did change the shock absorbers at the back a few years ago, but they were like for like. And I don't really know what the problem is here. So that's my van. This is Juffy, 1967, Type 2, basic combi with a camping interior. A camping interior originally from a bay window and hashed, a right-hand drive bay window and hashed to fit in my left-hand drive van at some point before I owned it, and then I've added bits and changed a few bits as they've broken along the way. So yeah, this is morphed from being my teenage freedom into my family camping base. So hopefully over the next few months and years, then we'll get a lot of work done on this. It should be good.